Let's look at question 19 from Prep Test 46. This is another conditional question, and it says that I serves on every subcommittee with M. Now, this is going to guarantee that we're going to be limited to one of the two frames. Pause the recording for a second and make sure you can identify which frame this question stem is referring us to. If you've identified frame 2 as the frame we're going to be using for this question, that's great. If I were going to serve on every subcommittee with M, in this frame, I would have to serve on all three subcommittees, which is not permitted. So we'll have to be using this frame right here. You could start by placing an M into one of the three subcommittees and making sure that I is there. I is permitted to go on more subcommittees at this point, at least one or one more, but it doesn't have to. M could not serve on any other subcommittees because if it did, we'd need another I, and then we'd have too many players going more than once. So this may be enough information to answer the question. Let's go ahead and see what we're looking for. We're looking to find an answer choice that could be true. Could it be true that M serves on all three subcommittees? Actually, we've already ruled out that frame, so let's eliminate A. If we look at answer choice B, it says that I serves on more than one subcommittee. That's possible. It has to go every time that M goes, but I could go on more than one subcommittee. It doesn't have to. It doesn't require that every time we place an I, we also place an M. But rather than running out a hypothetical to show that this could be true and then selecting B, it might be faster just to go ahead and knock out C, D, and E if the answer choices are such that they look like they're impossible. So let's take a look at C. C says that I serves on every subcommittee with P. Well, if I is going to serve on every subcommittee with P, that means that I would have to serve on all three. Not possible. Let's eliminate answer choice C. D says that F serves on every subcommittee with M. Well, here we have a subcommittee with M, and there's no room for F, so we know that that's not possible. Let's eliminate answer choice D. E suffers from the same problem as D. There's no way to make sure that G serves on every subcommittee with M because here's a subcommittee that has M on it, and there's no way to get G. There's just no more room left. So we can eliminate answer choice E, and through elimination, we can infer that answer choice B could be true. To see this, let's just go ahead and plug in a hypothetical. We can separate F and G, and we still need to have an H somewhere. Let's just go ahead and place H right here. And that leaves us with room to have more than one I. So answer choice B could be true.